Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming basics. Internet, correct time, and the Chrome app is up to date. Once done, open Chrome from your taskbar or start menu and look for the profile icon at top right. Click it and choose Sign into Chrome. You're doing this to sync bookmarks, passwords, and extensions securely with your Google account. Enter your Google email when prompted, then click Next. Make sure you use the account you intend to sync across devices. Now enter your password and press Next. Speak it slowly in your head to avoid typing errors. If you have two-step verification, follow the on-screen prompt, choose SMS, an authenticator app code, or insert your security key and tap it. Once verified, Chrome will ask whether to turn on sync. Choose Yes to back up bookmarks, history, passwords, and settings. Choose No if you prefer local-only browsing. Make sure to read the sync options, so finish by checking the profile icon at top right. It should display your photo or initials and a sync indicator. If you want selective syncing, go to Settings, You and Google, then Sync and Google Services to toggle items like passwords or extensions. If sign-in fails, make sure your internet works, confirm the password on another device, clear Chrome's cache, or reboot the laptop. As a last resort, sign out completely and sign back in. This often resolves stuck sync or authentication errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.